Nintendo has slashed the number of Wii U and 3DS consoles it expects to sell by the end of the financial year, which has had a knock-on effect on its financial projections. In an earnings release, President Satoru Iwata explained that the company now expects to sell 2.8 million Wii U consoles by the end of March, down from original estimates of 9 million, while 3DS projections have also been revised downwards from 18 million console sales to 13.5 million. The knock-on effect of this is that previous net income projection has been revised from profit to loss. Nintendo was forecasting net profits of 55 billion yen, but is now expecting a net loss of 25 billion yen. Iwata explains that despite hardware bundles and price cuts for the Wii U in Western markets, sales still fell short by a large margin. In particular, sales in the US and European markets, in which we entered the year-end sales season with a hardware markdown, were significantly lower than our original forecast, with both hardware and software sales experiencing a huge gap from their targets, he said. In addition, we did not assume at the beginning of the fiscal year that we would perform a markdown for the Wii U hardware in the US and European markets. This was also one of the reasons for lower sales and profit estimates. What is slightly surprising is the fact that the 3DS underperformed. Nintendo 3DS did not reach our sales target in the overseas market, and we were ultimately unable to achieve our goal of providing a massive sales boost to Nintendo 3DS in the year-end sales season, Iwata said. Using the US market as an example, Nintendo 3DS became the top-selling platform in the last calendar year. However, the estimated annual sales of the Nintendo 3DS hardware remain significantly lower than our initial forecast at the beginning of the fiscal year. Full earnings information is expected at the end of the month, which should offer specific information about Nintendo's current status. We'll have to wait until later in the year to discover whether it hits its revised financial targets. For all the latest Nintendo news, be sure to stay with us on IGN.